Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about the classification of accounts. So what are the different types of accounts? Before that, what is an account? An account is a ledger record in a summarized form of all the transactions that have taken place with the particular person or thing specified. Okay, this has been said by Carter. An account is basically a summarized form. Okay, so whatever transactions occur, they are summarized and written in that account. Okay, and what are the transactions? They are the transactions that have taken place with a particular person or thing. Okay, so a particular person can be anyone, like an individual or an organization also. Okay, and a thing means your assets or liabilities with respect to anyone, like it can be a person or it can be a thing. Now this is the definition. If you want to write this, you have to write this in exact words. Okay, and if you don't want to write the definition, then there's a meaning. So meaning of account is, an account is a summarized record. As I said, it's written very short. Okay, so one word or two words only. Okay, of transactions relating to a particular person, asset, liability, particular head of expense or income recorded at one place. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the definition and the meaning. Now we'll move on to the classification of accounts. So there are basically three types of accounts, main three types of accounts. Okay, two types of accounts: personal account and impersonal account. Personal account, as the name suggests, it's related to an individual or an organization. Okay, an impersonal account is not related to individual or an organization. It's basically the assets and liabilities, incomes and expenses. Okay, that we'll learn now. Personal account has three types. Natural person account. Natural person means you, me. Okay. Artificial person is basically the organization. So example, Pune Municipal Corporation account, Radhika Sports Club account, Bank of India account. So these are the organizations. Okay. So this can also be called as personal accounts. And the last one is representative personal account. So there are four types of representative personal accounts. Outstanding expenses. OS means outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses means those expenses that are not that are supposed to be paid. Okay, you are supposed to pay that, but you have still not paid those expenses even after the due date has passed. For example, outstanding salary. The salary was for due for the month of April, but you have still not paid the salary even after the month of May has passed. Okay, so that salary of April can be called as um outstanding expenses. Likewise, you have accrued income or outstanding income. Okay, so this is the income that you have not received. The due date has passed, but still you have not received the income. And then there is prepaid expenses and income received in advance. Okay, so this is expense that you have paid before the due date. For example, the electricity bill, which is supposed to be paid, the last date is 15th June, but you paid it on 31st May only. So that is prepaid expenses. And income received in advance, same, but this is income. You are supposed to receive that income by the date of 15th June, but you received it on 31st May only. Okay, now these are the personal accounts. I repeat again, personal accounts has three types: natural person, like you and me; artificial personal account, those are the organizations; and representative personal accounts. There are four representative personal accounts: outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, income received in advance, and accrued income or outstanding income. Now the reason these representative personal accounts, uh, these are personal accounts. Why these are personal accounts? Okay, because these personal accounts are referred to a person. Okay, suppose I am a person, but directly they will not say like Anandita's account. They will say I have not paid the money, right? So they will say outstanding expenses. It's indirectly related to me only. So these are personal accounts, and since they represent me, they are known as representative personal accounts. Now we'll move on to impersonal accounts. Impersonal accounts have two types of accounts: real accounts and nominal accounts. Real accounts are assets, okay, that the business owns. So for example, computer, your land, your furniture, okay, machinery. Now here there are two types: tangible real accounts and intangible real accounts. Tangible real accounts are those you can touch, see, feel, those ones, okay. So your land, your furniture, those will be tangible real accounts. And in intangible real accounts, those are the assets or the real accounts that you cannot feel, okay. So example is goodwill. Now what is goodwill? It's basically the brand image that is measured in terms of money, okay. Now for example, say Tata group of companies or Reliance, they have high goodwill, okay. So they have good brand image, but that brand image is measured in terms of money. And now you cannot see the goodwill, you cannot touch it, right? So therefore it is intangible in nature, and therefore it is classified as intangible real account. It is an asset for the business, okay. The more the goodwill, the more the profit company will earn. Now tangible real accounts examples, as I said, cash account, computer account, machinery account. Intangible may goodwill account, patents account, and copyright account. So patents account is basically the processes that the business copyrights it. They want to keep the ownership, okay. So suppose I am a worker in a factory, like worker, not worker, I am the owner of a factory, okay. And I have a great mind, like I can invent things. If I've invented a process to produce a particular product, then that process I can patent it, okay, so that no one else should own it, huh? And then copyright is for videos or books or whatever. If you have authored a book, or if you have recorded a video, so there's a copyright for that, okay. Now the second type in impersonal accounts is nominal account, okay. So nominal account has two types: expenses and losses, incomes and gains. Expenses may electricity bill, rent account. If you are paying rent, then it will be expenses. If you are receiving rent, then it will be incomes. Another is commission. So most of the times you receive commission. For example, if you are an agent and if you are you are selling land, okay, so you are the middle person, so you will receive commission. So that is an income. Then there is losses in a sense, depreciation. Now what is depreciation? There's a machinery, okay, you have bought it in 2020, okay. By 2024-25, will the machine work the same? No, right? Okay. In 2020 it used to give you produce of 1000 units, but now it is giving you produce of only 800 units. So there is a loss of 200 units. So that 200 units, it will be called as depreciation, okay, because it's a loss. And in gains, you can say appreciation. The value is increasing. Here the produce was decreasing. In appreciation, the produce will increase, but it never happens. Appreciation is possible only in case of land, okay. Land is one and only one asset that experiences appreciation, okay. Other all assets, they are generally depreciated, okay. So these are the two main types that we learned today: personal account and impersonal account. In personal account, we learned three types: natural personal account, artificial personal account, representative personal account. And in impersonal account, we learned two types: real accounts, nominal accounts. Real accounts may be learned tangible real accounts, intangible real accounts. In nominal account, we learned expenses and losses and incomes and gains. Okay, in the next lecture, we'll learn about golden rules of accounting for debit and credit in traditional approach. Okay, so that will be the rules that we'll be keeping in mind forever for posting journal entries. After posting journal entries, you have to post ledger accounts, then trial balance you have to prepare, then you have to make your final accounts. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.